All right, look what we got here. Looks like we're stepping back into the Wild West. These are all Marlins, and they're all pre-1900 designs. And most of them are pre-1900. Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff had to put the cheaters on to read the fine print on some of these. So let's look at these early Marlins, see what we got. So this is a model 1887 double action Marlin pistol. Pretty cool. Nickel, pearl grips, factory engraved, deluxe. Like I said, it's double action. Top break. It's got 6 rounds, so that means it's the 32. The 38 took only 5 rounds. They only made these for, I think, 4 or 5 years. They only made 15,000 of them either way. But it's a dandy all the way around. I love them pearl scales. Gotta like that old gun. So, next we've got a shotgun, a 12 gauge. Look at the detail that they did just with the set screws holding just even the corn cob on, you know. It's a 12 gauge, full length. Had to make me a cheat sheet here. It's a model 17G. Pump action with the centrifugal safety in it. They made these in takedowns. I think these got a little short chambers in them, but they're good guns. So let's see if we can get the action open. There's more set screws. They built fine weapons. Fine weapons. And I know there's a lot of talk about these old Marlin shotguns not being safe. I have shot this one. I think, you know what? I think when I go turkey hunting this year, I think I'll take that turkey hunting. Show you guys that this old gun can be used. This one here was made 1906 to 1908. So it's 115 years old. Almost 120. Next one we have here, I had to look it up because I knew I had the gun. I knew what it was chambered in, but I didn't know what model it was. So this is a model 1889. All these nice, gotta love these great big old buckhorn sights they put on this. This one here is in 3840, known as 38 Winchester. Marlin safety steel, octagon barrel, unmessed with. It's not super clean. I've not shot this gun. Most of my guns I've shot. This one here I have not shot. Nice and clean, fully functional. We'll take her out and shoot her this summer. Great gun. And they did not mark the tang with the model number. Either place. That's why I had to look it up and figure out what it was. And that shocked me. I think Marlin made as good a quality gun as Winchester. They were not as good at advertising maybe, or maybe their prices were higher. I don't know. But these are the same type weapons as you would find made by Winchester. And here's a dandy little gallery gun. This is a model 29. 22 short, long, and long rifle. Marlin Model 29. Dandy little pump action. It's not been messed with. Got the original tube in it. It's a takedown. Nice little gun. And like I said, Marlin made as many different types of guns as Winchester. I don't think Winchester made any handguns. So, and Marlin made quite a few. This one here is one of my favorites, and I want to take it deer hunting someday. I have not taken it deer hunting. I have shot it. This is one you don't see very often. This is a 1-year gun. This is a model, if it'll focus there, 1936 Marlin. So I got this one at a pawn shop, and case colors are still halfway decent on it. I got this one at a pawn shop, and there was something the matter internally with it, and I opened it up, and there was just something jammed inside of it, and I fixed it. So they made this gun in 1936 only. In 1937, they changed it to the Model 36 instead of the 1936. And it's got the big perch belly on it here on the fore end. It's in 32 Winchester Special, which they did not give Winchester the credit on. They just called it 32 Special. Great looking old gun, though. I like this because it's a lot like the Model 336, but I like the flat bolts. I think it's more clean, and I just prefer it. So when I had a chance to buy this gun, I had to buy it. And it came out of a pawn shop. It just had mechanical issues, and I think it was just gummed up inside. I don't remember having to do anything to it. And I have shot it, so I know it works fine. So this is the only newer one of the bunch. Had to look and see if the butt plate said Marlin or anything on it. It does not. So, anyhow, hope you liked the little video on all the Marlins. You know, I've got lots of guns, and I need to get out and shoot them all. And like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Can't talk today. Been a long day on the school bus. And God bless you. God bless America. And I hope everything goes well for you.